Hey guys, today we are going to model that interesting car rim. Join the Discord server if you need some help on your projects, and you can enroll in my mentorship program if you want to get better faster. And before we start, if you want to 3D print your 3D models, I strongly recommend you to visit jlcpcb.com, which is the sponsor of this video. JLCPCB is a company that offers online 3D printing and CNC machining services. The quality of the 3D printed model is very good. You can check out my latest video where I unboxed a 3D model that I 3D printed. They provide a lot of different 3D printing technologies, such as stereolithography, multi-jet fusion, selective laser melting, fused deposition modeling, and selective laser sintering. You can choose between a range of high-quality materials such as nylon, plastic, fully transparent resin, and even metal. And you can also print full-color models if you want. You just have to create an account on the website, upload your file, and wait 48 to 72 hours to receive your package. Every new user can get a $60 free coupon to spend on the website. Click on the link in the description to get your coupon. So first I'm going to add a plane, scale it, GY, place it over here, select these vertices, M at center. You can now place the vertices to match the picture, roughly, SX. Put this one down a little bit. Okay. Duplicate the triangle, place it here, scale, put this one up a little bit, SX, select this edge, EY, merge the vertices at center, and raise it a little bit. You can scale on the x-axis a little bit more, like this. Select this edge, X, limit dissolve, so that way we have only a plane. Duplicate it, put it here, rotate it, select these two vertices, connect, select this edge, click on global and add a custom pivot point, so that way the gizmo is aligned with the edge. So now I can select this vertex, put it here, put this one down a little bit, select these two, SX, like this, GY a little bit, like this. Click on global again to reset the pivot point, duplicate, put this shape down a little bit, S to scale, connect. You can remove this face, origin to geometry, move it downward a little bit, SX, select the face, Alt-E, spin, open this menu, click on use duplicates, and let's add 20 steps. All right. Select this one and do the same. Select the faces, Alt-E, spin, use duplicates. Same on this one, Alt-E, spin, use duplicates. Same on this one. All right. Select one face, duplicate it, G, rotate it, and adjust the vertices. Connect these two vertices, select this edge, make a custom pivot point, select these two vertices, SX, select these two, SY, okay? Select these two faces, Alt-E, spin, use duplicates, okay? So now what we can do is to isolate only one part of the wheel. So I'm going to isolate this one there and there. So what I can do is to add a vertex there, connect, same here, connect, add a vertex there, connect, and do the same here, add a vertex, connect, connect, and connect. So now let's select everything. Control J to merge. I'm going to select these faces. Control I and delete. You can remove these faces. X, limit dissolve. So now I would like these edges to be perfectly straight. So how do I do that? I'm just going to click there. I'm going to remove the custom pivot points. I'm going to click on this edge, add a new custom pivot point, SX0. I can add a loop there, connect, add a loop there, connect, remove these faces, select this edge, add a new custom pivot point, select this one, change this to individual origins, SX0. Let's do the same there. So let's add a new custom pivot point, select this one, SX0, select this one, new custom pivot point, select this one, SX0. Let's do the same here, SX0, and so on, SX0, 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 select the big triangles, select the vertices, Ctrl Shift B to bevel, add one segment, something like this, select these two, Ctrl Shift B, like this, select these three faces, Ctrl Shift B to add a bevel, like this, select these, GG a little bit, select these two, Ctrl Shift B, like this, select these three triangles, Ctrl Shift B, like this, select all the faces, inset. Now let's add three loops there, three there, and three there. Connect these two vertices, connect these, and connect these. So that way we have all quads everywhere. So we can remove these two, add two loops there, two loops there, two loops there. Select this face, remove, select the border, face, grid fill. Do the same to the opposite side, two loops, two loops, two there, two there. Select this face, select this border, face, grid fill. Same here, remove this face, add two loops there, two loops there, two there and two there. Select this border, grid fill. We can remove these two. Select this one, Alt E, spin, click on use duplicates. Same here, two loops, two loops, two loops and two loops. Remove this face, grid fill. One there and one there. Grid fill. Perfect. Remove these two. Select this one, Alt E, spin, use duplicates. All right, select this one, Alt E, spin, use duplicates. So now we can select these and these, invert the selection, remove. Okay, so now we need to bridge every gaps. So let's do that. Select these 3 edges and these 3, right click bridge, connect these 2, do the same here, right click bridge, right click bridge, right click bridge, same here, bridge, connect, same here, bridge, bridge. You can mirror this to the other side. All right. Select this border, grid fill. Select these edges, right click, loop tools, space. So now we have an even space between the edges. Same here, grid fill. Select these 3, right click, loop tools, space. Same here, grid fill. Select these, right click, loop tools, space. You can even straighten this edge, remove this one. Select these, remove, select these, remove, connect these, select these 3, Ctrl plus to grow the selection, select these, remove, mirror to the other side, select this face, add a new custom pivot point, select these 2 edges, EY, SY0 to flatten, enable the snapping button, set to vertex, snap there, connect, and connect. And let's do the same here, select EY, SY0, snap there, and connect. All right. Let's do the same there. Custom pivot points. Select these. EY, SY0, roughly there. And connect these 4 and these 4. All right. So now we can mirror this to the other side. To fill that area, I'm just going to select these 2 edges, F to fill. I'm just going to add a loop there and a loop there. Add a loop there. Grid fill. So now we have 2 diamond polygons there. Okay. Let's connect these 4. Add a loop. Connect. Mirror it to the other side. Select all the faces, Alt-E, spin, use duplicates, set the number to 10. Select all the vertices, press A, M, merge by distance. Okay, so now we have some triangles everywhere. There, 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 and everywhere. So to get rid of them, select everything and press Alt-J, and they are gone. Perfect. So now we can select this border, extrude, scale a little bit, right click, loop tools, circle to turn it into a perfect circle, like this, ES. Same over here, select this border, ES, right click, loop tools, circle, scale once, extrude, scale another time, again, again, and again. All right, we can select these faces, I to inset a little bit, reset the pivot point, you can remove them, reset it to global, SX, extrude down on the z-axis, isolate. Let's select the sharp edges. Ctrl B to bevel, P to set the shape to 1, set the meter outer to arc, and click on loop slide to make the bevel even. Alright, so now let's add a loop there and a loop there. Select them, Ctrl B. Connect. Connect. Remove these two, add a loop there. Connect. Remove this one. Connect. Remove this one. So now you can connect there. Remove this one. Same here. Connect. Do the same at the bottom. Connect. Remove this. Connect this one there and this one there. Add, let's say, 3 loops. Select these. Right-click Loop Tools, space. We can add a support loop here if we want. Now I can select this, coplanar, grow the selection, remove, select this border and push it on the z-axis, add another loop there. Alright, let's add a loop. So now we can select this and this, right click, mark seam, select this, right click, mark seam, remove these, select this, Alt E, spin, 20, like this, merge the vertices by distance. Now we can select this and this one and this one, right click, mark seam, and select everything. Invert the selection, remove, add a support loop there. We can select these 3, right click, Loop Tools, space. These 3 again, right click, Loop Tools, space. Add some support loops there. Now select this. Extrude on the z-axis. Remove these. Select these, L, 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 and repeat until you select everything. L, L. Go to select loops, select boundary loops, and now you can add a bevel. Let's say like this, and spin everything again. I'm going to add a circle with 32 sides. In edit mode, scale it, place it roughly there. You can extrude it upward, close it. Close this, duplicate this cylinder, hide it, select this one, then click on this one, Control minus on the numpad to do a Boolean, click on fast, apply it, get rid of this orange box, display the cylinder again. Alright, and I can get rid of some of the edges. So I'm going to get rid of this one, this one, this one, and this one. You can merge these two, merge at center, connect, connect, and hide the cylinder again. So I'm going to connect the vertices like this, like this, like this. This. Like this, like this. Okay, let's add a loop there. Add a loop there. Connect and connect. Add a loop there. Connect these edges. Remove this edge. Select these two vertices. GG. Connect. Let's add another loop. Connect. Add, let's say, two more. Connect. Connect this one there. Get rid of this one. Connect. Let's add one loop there. Connect. And two loops there. Okay. So we need to do the same to the opposite side. Like this. Like this. Connect. All right. Connect this one. Connect, connect. You can move these ones a little bit by pressing GG. Same here. Connect and connect. We can get rid of this one. All right. Perfect. So now let's add a loop there. Connect these two. Remove this edge loop. Select the circle. Right click Loop Tools Circle. Select these. Remove these. Right click Loop Tools Space. Same here, remove these ones. Right click Loop Tools Space. Much better. And we are going to add a loop there. So to do that, select this border, extrude down on the Z-axis. Select this border, Ctrl B to bevel. With one segment, P to set the shape to 1. Click on Loop Slide. Let's remove this for now. select these borders again, deselect these, right click, loop tools, space, select this border, extrude upward, SZ0, extrude one more time, right click, loop tools, circle, ES to scale, EZ, push it down, select these borders, Ctrl B to bevel, select this border, Ctrl B to bevel. Let's add, let's say, 2 support loops. Let's add one there, and let's say 6 there. Right click, shade smooth. And as we can see, this is perfect. So now I'm going to mirror this to the other side. So I'm just going to press L, V, separate by selection, hide the subdivision surface modifier or delete it. We can mirror this to the other side like this. I'm just going to get rid of these. Okay. These, and these. Okay, select everything, right click, loop tools, circle. So now we can extrude this down. Select this, Ctrl B to bevel, like this. Let's add 4 segments, GG, GG, add, let's say, 2 support loops, and there you go. So now we can merge everything together, Ctrl J, merge the vertices by distance, and we have our shape. So now what I can do is to select this border, enable proportional editing, set it to sphere, and push this down a little bit. Let's say like this, maybe. Select this border, extrude it and snap it there. Now select this border again, put the 3D cursor at the center. Now add a mirror modifier on the Z-axis. Apply it. I'm just going to connect everything. Bridge, add, let's say, 3 loops there, and so on. Now you can select this edge loop, Ctrl B to bevel. Let's add, let's say, 4 segments. Select these two, S, Z, E, right click, Alt S, S, Z, select loop, select boundary loops, select these, Control B with one segment. And let's add a loop there and a loop there. And we have our final product